All right, folks. Hello again. It's Tim here at High End Cheap Tech. So today, some cool stuff. OpenShot. Learned a lot this weekend. Just wanted to tell you what I learned. So we're going to go in to OpenShot here, and of course, I learned how to throw in a little exploding or dissolving text, lay some sound on it. Made it permanent, and today I learned how to put in a little slider that says subscribe or subscribe today or something like that. And of course I saved that as a default, and then I can just tack my videos on or right down here, and then my music on the next line, and you know, whatever. It's a really easy program to use. I highly recommend it, but there's a learning curve to any video editing. You can watch this video. I'll link this one at the end. It'll tell you where to get it and show you a little bit about it. The little bit I knew even back then, I know a whole lot more now. Making it slicker every day. But the real one we want to point out here. This is Geek Outdoors. Really good website. It will be linked in the description below. It will be linked in the tablet server post that I'm going to put up. So no matter which way you go look at my videos, you'll find it. He's got just a ton of them. And this is where I learned how to use Blender, which you're going to need if you use an OpenShot. You can download Blender from right here at blender.org. Also will be linked. And you're going to need Inkscape when you play around with your titles and stuff, so you can really do some cool stuff with it. Once again, you're going to need to watch his videos. You don't have to watch all of them. Pick out what you need to do. You know, do you want to add some photos or an overlay or titles, or you know, video overlays or animated titles, which I learned today, or just how to create your first project and add a little music to it. He makes it really simple. He moves a little fast, but the great thing about YouTube, as you're watching, you can have OpenShot open, hit pause after he shows you something, go over to OpenShot and try what he just told you. But your best bet, record something real quick and lay it up on your timeline, and then, you know, add your other stuff on top. Rule of thumb, I'll tell you right now, in OpenShot, whatever's up here overwrites everything below it, so it'll overlay. So if you wanted to put like a picture like up here in the corner, you could easily. You just put it on this timeline, even though your video is running here, and you can actually drag it using transform and resize it. And that's how those guys put up those little video clips at the end. Or sometimes they just use YouTube has some tools to do that too, but that limits you to the last 20 seconds, but still very cool. So there really isn't a whole lot else to tell you today. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments. Nobody ever leaves a damn comment on my site. Watch the video, share the video, like and subscribe. Who knows? Maybe one of these days I'll put out something you find interesting. If not, you don't have to watch. That's all I got for today, and I'm going to cut it off there and say happy learning and stay cheap.